Hello, my name is Reja and welcome to PLSQL Beginner to Advanced tutorial series. Today we will learn about PLSQL Cursor, and throughout this tutorial we will learn about definition of cursor, explicit cursor use, cursor parameter, cursor attribute, cursor update. Using explicit cursor, first we will see basic use of cursor. Let's see an example. From the declaration section, we see the declaration of cursor. So here we use the keyword cursor, and then this is the cursor name, C employee underscore list. And here we use the DML operation select from employee table, and here we select first name, last name, and salary. And after then we declare some variable first name, last name, and salary, like by using the attribute type from table employees. Inside the begin and end, we use the open keyword to open the cursor, because after declaring the cursor, we must have to open the cursor to use. And the line 17 here, we use the face statement to extract value from cursor, and here we use face C employee list to populate our variable first name, last name, and salary. These statements are also used repetitively here and here. And here we use the dbms output line here to print some values, first name and last name actually. And the last one is the dm close keyword, and this close keyword is used to close the um, cursor. So why we do need cursor close? Because if we want to if we want to proper memory management, we must have to close the cursor, because after declaring a cursor, a memory consumed to our memory system. So we must have to close this one. So if we execute this one, and after executing this snippet, here we can see the results: Stephen King, Nina Thatcher, and Lex D. Han. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep watching the next tutorial. Thanks.